Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Dr. Iqtidar Hussain, from Department of Agronomy, Faculty of Agriculture, Gumbaz University, DA Khan. I have did my PhD in Agronomy from Gumbaz University. I have done MA Education from Sarhad University, Peshawar, and I also have Master in Pakistan Study, which is done from Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad. I have 85 publication and my impact factor is near to 65. Now comes to my research topic. I have did research on response of wheat to nitrogen with the application of naphthalene acetic acid in changing climate scenario from Dr. Iqtidar Hussain, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, Gumbaz University, DA Khan. Introduction about DA Khan. DA Khan situated in the semi-arid to arid zone of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. It is situated on 71.07 longitude and 31.67 latitude at 500 feet over the ocean level. This area is arranged on outgracious south of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Soil of DA Khan are calcareous in nature, lacking in organic matter, nitrogen, phosphorus, and marginal in potassium. The atmosphere is dry to semi-dry, and the soil having pH near about 8.5, highly alkaline in nature. Climate change scenario in DA Khan. Anthropogenic activities like use of fossil fuel and chemical resulting in greenhouse gases emission are leading toward the climate change. These climate change result in uncertain rainfall causing drought stress and elevated global temperature. Arid and semi-arid area like DA Khan in world are accommodating 1/6 of the world's population. The inhabitants of these regions are among the poorest people in the world who depend upon agriculture for their livelihood. Continuous utilization of soil for agriculture purpose and other purpose reduces its fertility. Therefore, many physical and chemical changes happen in the texture of soil during a crop period. For this, a lot of dependence is done on synthesized fertilizers. Rainfall pattern in 2018-19 in Pakistan. In Pakistan, mostly rains come during the July-August September, which is called monsoon region, while remaining throughout the year there is mostly dry period, and DA Khan, which is light in the arid to semi-arid region, in which no rainfall occur from September to February. Usually it is called a drought season in Pakistan, especially in DA Khan. Very little rainfall come and heat stress occur during the month of March, and in April the temperature ranges up to 40 Celsius, which is the time grain filling of wheat is occurred during this time. This due to heat stress, the grains of wheat become shrinkled and have a very low grain weight. This is the effect of temperature during the month of April. Red or orange color shows the density of the temperature during the month of April, which is the ripening season of the wheat. You can see DA Khan in the map, which comes on that area where its temperature reaches about 40 to 45 centigrade in the month of April and May. Now comes to my abstract. Agriculture systems are extremely vulnerable to climate change given their sensitivity to variation in temperature, precipitation, and occurrence of natural events and disaster. Meanwhile, emission from automobile and agriculture activities contribute considerably to global warming. Precise use of nitrogen is not only important for economical crop production but also save environmental from nitrogen pollution. Strategies to improve nitrogen use efficiency in Pakistani agriculture also be advised to reduce the nitrogen losses without compromising food security. Use of plant growth regulator like naphthalene acetic acid helps the plant to use nitrogen and other nutrients efficiently. Naphthalene acetic acid having the ability to enhance the nitrogen use efficiency and mitigate the hazards of changing climate. An exploration experiment on response of wheat to nitrogen with use of naphthalene acetic acid on changing climate scenario was conducted at Inspection Field, Faculty of Agriculture, Gubal University, Daresville Khan during the year 2018-19. These two-factor test was established in split plot arrangement and covered with nitrogen quantities 0, 60, 120, 180 kg per hectare as key plot and the three changes amount of naphthalene acetic acid 0, 75, 150 milliliter per hectare in subplots. During the study, figures were acquired and evaluated on many state of physiology. This was observed that nitrogen dose of 180 kg per hectare with naphthalene acetic acid concentration of 75 milliliter per hectare showed better results. This treatment showed maximum number of fertile tillers to 80.33 meters square, leaf area duration 3738.5, crop growth rate is 77.54 gram per day per meter square, seeds per spike 62.97, length of spike 12.13 centimeter, 1000 grain weight 35.47 gram, grain yield 4932.2 kilogram, biological yield 14,510 kg per hectare. It was determined that for getting maximum crop yield, nitrogen dose of 180 kg per hectare with naphthalene acid concentration of 75 ml per hectare applied as foliar spray on rooting phase of wheat, it is concluded that naphthalene acetic acid helps in heat stress and in grain formation to maximize the wheat production in climate change. Keywords: nitrogen, naphthalene acetic acid, wheat production, climate change. No thanks. This is all about my research and its abstract and introduction of me and my area. D.A. Khan is described by me, Dr. Iqtidar Hussain. Thanks.